on your pocket. Okay. Please remain standing because we will have an energizer. All you have to do is when it says it's Christmas time, around Samsung? Yes! So, the tone is like around Samsung, but the lyrics is it's Christmas time, like 3 times. Okay, it's Christmas time, it's Christmas time. Christmas time. Okay, do you understand? Okay, Christmas time. Okay, 1, 2. Christmas time, Christmas time. Christmas time, Christmas time. No one Christmas time. Merry Christmas, Christmas time, it's Christmas time. Merry Christmas, it's Christmas time, it's Christmas time. We can go faster. It's Christmas time, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time, it's Christmas time, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Merry Christmas, Christmas time, it's Christmas time. Merry Christmas, it's Christmas time, it's Christmas time. I think we can go. Okay, you may now sit down. Is there any absent today from the group of girls? Nobody. How about from the group of boys? Is there any absent today?
Nobody absent.
Wow, it's great that you are all here today. Do you still remember that? Do you still remember our lesson yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, Princess, what our lesson yesterday?
Ma'am, yesterday we discussed about the fantasy and reality.
Wow. Can you repeat, Princess?
Our lesson yesterday was all about reality and fantasy.
What is fantasy? Listen, Joy. Fantasy are things or events that are impossible to happen and it is based on our imagination. How about reality, Dua?
Reality are the things that that really happen and exist.
Okay. Clap your hands. Give yourselves a wonderful clap. 1, 2, 3, wonder. 1, 2, 3, cool. 1, 2, 3, wonderful. Earlier, I gave you a card, specifically bingo card. But it's bingo card. It's bingo bit sound classification challenge. What you all have to do is when I play, please bring out your pencil or ball pen. Please bring out your pencil. Okay. What are you going to do is you will mark the sound that I will play. When you hear the sound, for example, helicopter. Helicopter. You will cross it out on the bingo card. Do you understand?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Let's start. Then before I forgot, then the first person to complete the first row will shout bingo. Do you understand?
Yes.
How may I ask?
Yes.
What is free food? First row or all of the
First row lang.
Which one?
Yeah. The vertical, horizontal. That's the first row. Okay, let's start. Can you hear it?
Yes. Ah, friend.
Free. People.
The next one, star. Let me check. It's a violin. But Lyra, it's supposed to be the first note dapat sunod, it should be sunod-sunod. It should be like, yeah.
Love this part.
Like that, but it should be according to their group. Like for example, musical instruments to vehicles. Ay, Rico! Rico, ma'am! It's all musical instruments. Okay, so Princess Lynn got the right answer. Give her good job now.
Good job.
Okay, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay, for the for those who don't get the right answer, you can comment here. You can comment here. This time, what we're going to do is to when I play a sound, when I play the sound, wait lang. Wait.
How does the fire on?
It's tricycle. It's yellow. Flower. A cat! What is the name of your cat, princess?
Pinky. Pinky the pig.
Cat also, Urban?
Yeah.
I have a cat. Okay. Okay. By this time,
Bye.
what are you going to do is, when I play a sound, you will pick a picture here and put it on the group they are in. You understand? Yes! Are you ready?
Yes, please now.
Okay. Please be attentive.
Oh, it won!
Okay, princess, come in front. The next one.
Mami, dalawa.
Train.
Okay, Urban, come in front. And the last one.
Where?
Okay, Kristen Boy, come in front. Okay, there's another one.
Nakula ko kasang sa pusa.
Okay, Rika Joy, come in front. Rika Joy, come in front. this? Correct. And how about this one? What is this?
A train.
Train. Okay.
It's a train.
Does it belong to vehicles?
Yes.
Okay, correct. Give those answers a McDonald clock.
One, two, three. One, two, three. McDonald.
Okay. Now, do you guess what is our lesson for today? Can you guess?
Not yet.
Okay, Ingy, what is our lesson for today? What do you think is our lesson for today?
Maybe are learning about the different kinds of sounds from animals, vehicles, and musical instruments.
Yes, and another idea, Hazel?
I think her topic is for today is just like what I said.
Okay. What are we going to do now? Our lesson for today is about classifying or categorizing sounds. Can you please read our day?
Classify or categorize sounds. Learning to classify or categorize sounds heard is an important skill. It helps us identify and distinguish the sounds heard in the environment. Knowing how are produced will help us determine who produced the sound in the letters in the English alphabet.
Please read Jessa.
Sounds. Sounds in the environment or vehicles. They differ from one another. They can be loud, high, or soft, or low sound.
How about the musical instruments? Princess said.
Musical instruments, they have different sounds. Some musical instruments produce
Loud.
loud or soft or low sounds.
How about the different animals, Carlo?
They produce different sounds. Their sounds can be loud, high, or soft, low.
Can you give an example of an environment or vehicle, Lindbergh? What vehicle is that?
Motorcycle.
Another one, Lyra. Can you give an example of a vehicle or an environment? How is it? How? How about in musical instruments? Jessa.
Yes.
What musical instrument do you know?
Flute.
How is it? What is the sound of flute? Give another example, AB.
Instrument drum. Dum, dum, dum. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, on different animals. Princess. Now I have a mystery box here. I have a mystery box here, a paper, and a okay, another box. Inside of the box, inside of this mystery box, there are cut-out pictures that produces either loud or high sound and soft or low sound. Amy, what are you going to do is to pass it on your seatmate, and if it stops, you will get one cut-out picture, and you will put it on in you will put it in the either loud or high sound or soft or low sound. Do you understand?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Hey, let's start. Okay, princess, please get one.
Piano.
Okay, what is that? A loud sound or a soft sound?
Soft, soft sound.
Okay, put it on the box. In the box. Is princess correct?
Yes, she is.
Okay, please put it. Okay, Christine Joy, please pick one cut out picture there. Can you identify it if it's loud or hard? Or loud or soft sound? Okay, please put it on the box. Is Christine Joy correct?
Yes, she is.
Okay, please pass it. How many Mira? It's a dog. It's a barking dog. Is it loud or is it soft sound? It's loud high. It's loud sound. Okay, is Mira correct?
Yes, she is.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, princess.
Oh, bird.
Is it loud or soft sound?
Soft, low.
Okay, is Princess Rosal correct?
Yes, she is.
Okay, they are all correct. Give them good job clap.
G-O-D-J-O-B, good job.
Good job. Do you understand our lesson?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I have an activity here. What are you going to? Please read the direction, Carlo.
Directions. Put a cross if the sound is made by an animal and check if the sound is made by a thing.
Irvin, can you please try? Please read before and
Boom, boom.
My name is Bombo.
The next, Hazel. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Wing, wing. Rika. That's number 3, Rika. Number 4, Irene. Number 5, Princess. Can you try it, Carlo?
Meow, meow.
Ma'am, come in front, Princess Lee.
Gutom. Gutom na po sa...
Come in front, RJ. Please come in front, Dessa. Is this a name or animal? A. And the last one, Christine Joy.
Dana.